Hey, what's up, everybody? Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. I want to talk to you about number one, I got an excellent video coming up today that's going to talk about how you have to take a step and how you can't be two people at the same time. That video is going to go into more detail about that. This is like a wall that my wife and we put some stuff on that we want people in our office to see this on a daily basis, because if they don't have the right mindset, no one's going to be in the right mindset to be successful. They're not going to be in the right mindset to handle you as a client for our company. This is very important. And you need to think about this when you wake up in the morning. What are you thinking about? Are you thinking about things that went bad the day before? Are you thinking about what you can do for yourself today? Today is a different day. I want you to get up. I want you to go out there. I want you to make today a great day. I want you to think about success in any level. I'm not talking about just money. I'm talking about success on all levels. Get out there, do it. Let's make a change in your own life, and let's make a change in other people's lives. Thank you.